Which type of citizenship is provided by the Constitution of India? Answer is option B, single citizenship. Friends, if we understand in detail, the Constitution of India provides for single citizenship for the whole of India. Every person who was at the commencement of the Constitution 26 January 1950 domicile in the territory of India and who was born in India, either of whose parents were born in India, who has been ordinarily resident in India for not less than 5 years became a citizen of India. Which part of the Indian Constitution is called the heart and soul of the Constitution according to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar? Answer is option B, right to constitutional remedies. Who is known as the Missile Man of India? Answer is option A, Dr. Abdul Kalam. Friends, APJ Abdul Kalam was known as the Missile Man of India for his important role in the nation's civilian space program and military missile development. Also, in 1998, he made significant contributions to India's Pokhran 2 nuclear test. His full name was Abul Pakir Zainul Abidin Abdul Kalam. He was born in Rameswaram, Tamil Nadu. He was the 11th President of India and elected against Lakshmi Sehgal in 2002. When is the World Senior Citizens Day celebrated every year? Answer is option D, 21 August. What are roaring 40s, furious 50s and shrieking 60s? Answer is option C, Western lies in the southern hemisphere. Which of the following countries is not adjacent of Afghanistan? Answer is option B, Russia. When does the entire earth experience equal days and nights? Answer is option B, day of equinox. Friends, on the day of equinox, the entire earth experiences equal days and nights. An equinox occurs when the plane of Earth's equator passes through the center of the sun. It takes place twice in a year, March 21 and September 23. Integral Coach Factory is located at? Answer is option C, Perambur. Friends, in Perambur, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, the Integral Coach Factory is located. The Indian Railways owns and runs it. It was founded in 1955. The Integral Coach Factory was inaugurated by the first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, on 2nd October 1955. Who invented the first computer mouse? Answer is option D, Douglas Engelbart. Which number system is used by computers to store data and perform calculations? Answer is option B, binary. Friends, let's know about binary number system. It contains two unique digits, 0s and 1s. It is also known as the base 2 system. The binary number 0 and 1 called a bit. The computer always calculates input in binary form. Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz developed the binary system. Linux is a type of blank operating system. Answer is option A, open source. Friends, Linux is an open source Unix-like operating system. Linux was developed by Linus Torvalds. Linux was released in September 1991. Linux was written in C and assembly language. Which of the following is a scientific computer language? Answer is option D, Fortran. It was originally developed by a team at IBM in 1957 for scientific calculations. It is also used in organizations such as weather forecasters, financial trading, and engineering simulations. Which type of colloidal system is fog? Answer is option A, liquid in gas. What is dry ice? Answer is option C, solid carbon dioxide. Poisonous mustard gas is a. Answer is option B, liquid. Where and when did Mahatma Gandhi make his first public appearance in India on coming back from South Africa after 2 decades? Answer is option D, Banaras Hindu University in 1916. Friends, if you like the video, then do not forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Where did Gandhiji conduct his first successful satyagraha after returning from South Africa? Answer is option C, Champaran. It was the first civil disobedience movement led by Gandhiji in India in 1917. It was a peasant uprising that took place in Champaran district of Bihar, India during the British colonial period. The peasants were protesting against the cultivation of indigo without payment of any hard wages. The peasants of Champaran followed the three Kathia system. Indigo cultivator Rajkumar Shukla persuaded Mahatma Gandhi to visit Champaran and the Champaran Satyagraha began. When did the Chauri Chaura incident happen? Answer is options A, 4 February 1922. The communal award was made by blank. Answer is option C, Ramsay MacDonald. After the failure of the second roundtable conference, British Prime Minister Ramsay MacDonald created the Communal Award in 1932. It was vehemently criticized by Mahatma Gandhi. How many Ramsar sites have been declared so far in India? Answer is option B, 80.